I'm starting a workshop where I'm talking about why digital cam and why now. Let's start with a quick and a very simple question. We have enablement leaders in this room. I want to just understand how many of your organizations, like the organizations that you represent, is there a template, is there a process already set up for key account planning? For the others, has there been a segmentation done? Like these are our large accounts, major accounts. Where are these account plans created today? Like are they created in Excel sheets, PowerPoints? Do you use any tool? Is it within Salesforce or the CRM? So what we've seen predominantly because the audience is still in the process of getting there, the offline planning processes comes with its own challenges. The first and the predominant one we've seen is these PowerPoints and Excel sheets, they are basically static. There is less collaboration. The accounts in today's world, they're changing very, very dynamically, and the plans are not able to catch up to that pace. So there is less collaboration between individuals, what they want to do in that account, and what the account really represents. Second is the teams are spread across the world, and you have, when it comes to large account management, you need collaboration between different departments within your organization as well. And again, an offline planning kind of becomes a deterrent where you're not able to really collaborate. That means the CLV of the customer, which is a customer lifecycle value, is not realized because there are silos in the way the account managers are working on their key accounts performance. There is a problem when it comes to leadership not having the actionable insights or real-time visibility of the performance of key accounts. Half of you might be using Salesforce reporting or a BI tool when it comes to account performance, right? But both are focusing on the entire length and breadth of accounts. You need a focused visibility on key accounts performance so that you're on top of those large accounts that contribute the majority of your revenue and leading and lagging indicators in those. That is something which offline planning somehow is still not able to practice. The best practices in the organization, as with any organization, there would be some really rock star salespeople which are doing everything possible to manage and grow their accounts, and the others which are basically following the leaders. We have seen the best practices in silos, and as sales enablement leaders, the last thing you'd want is this. As sales enablement leaders, you want the standardization of best practices across the organization and visibility to make sure everyone knows the guidebook or the gold standards of account planning so that everyone can collaborate in those. And the last, in my opinion, is the way the account managers or salespeople, they are functioning today is it's a very reactive approach for not a proactive approach, because they're creating these plans for the leaders. They're creating these plans because you want to see those plans. They're not creating these plans for themselves. And to enable that proactive mindset, we need to give them enough data points, enough intelligence, so that they can refer to a tool for their account's performance rather than making the QBRs about the leaders.